guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing the things that I bought this week. And I bought all these things because these are all on sale and I need some new clothes. So the first one is from H&M. They have a huge sale, so I've decided to buy 3 items, just 3 items for now. So the first one is this one, a shirt, and I really like this because it got some flowers in here, and then I'm seeing a lot of people actually wearing shirts with flowers. It's like this is the trend. So the original price is 199 kroner, and then it's on sale for 70 kroner. So I can see the big difference between the price, so I bought it. And I got this one here, and this one is a pants, and I really like this one, but the problem is it's a bit long, but I'm thinking maybe I can also just fold it a little bit here so it will fit. And then the real price is, original price is 249, and then it's on sale for 90 kroner. And then the last one is a dress. So this one. And I like this because it's not too long for me. And I also like the details here. And it's elastic, so the tummy is not showing that much. Original price is 229 kroner, and then it's on sale for 90 kroner. So that's it for H&M. And then I also bought one online. This is the first buy I actually have in this website, Nelly.com. So this is a dress, a formal dress, because I'm gonna be attending a party very soon. So this one, I really hope it will fit me. So this is the front, and the back is like see-through lace on it. And the price I think is around 500 kroner, but it was on sale for 200 plus. So I bought it. I hope it fits. And then I also got all this here, and these are, it's actually my husband who bought this. So let's see. The first one is this. Oh, that's the back. So this is the front. You get a face in the back. So I see myself wearing this just inside the house, or maybe when we travel somewhere warm and sunny, because right now it's impossible to wear this outside. It's so cold, it's winter time. And then I got this also. Oh, it's just the same with the other one but different color. That's the front, and this is the back. So it's kind of see-through also a little bit. And then I got this one, color black. And this one is a blouse. Just a short sleeve, normal blouse, basic thing. It's color black, and I can see myself actually wearing this at work also. And this one, oh, it's 2 pieces. There's a black and there's a white. No, okay. So this one is the inner part, and this one is gonna be outside. Oh, I'm gonna be trying it on so to see how it looks like. So let's see.